siêu trai lại ya và lại phù lì cả gospel của Lucas và là nông khát khăn đài đã có đi với hadu chi phong của Giêsu và Zacchaeus.
Jesus entered Jericho and was passing through. A man was there by the name of Zacchaeus. He was a chief tax collector and was wealthy. He wanted to see who Jesus was. But because he was short, he could not see over the crowd. So he ran ahead and climbed a sycamore fig tree to see him, since Jesus was coming that way. When Jesus reached the spot, he looked up and said to him, "Zacchaeus, come down immediately. I must stay at your house today." So he came down at once and welcomed him gladly. All the people saw this and began to mutter, "He has gone to be the guest of a sinner." But Zacchaeus stood up and said to the Lord, "Look, Lord, here and now I give half of my possessions to the poor, and if I have cheated anybody out of anything, I will pay back 4 times the amount." Jesus said to him, "Today salvation has come to this house, because this man too is a son of Abraham. For the Son of Man came to seek and to save the lost."
Duriap bat puson kano kadakot kano kakentin ne kabanta na kane ka gospel kabasyo jimut bat ta ya ka mensin jongpi puson rikendong ya ka bat im sngi ya ka Polebiam Udisu larong hapo Jericho bat ulayay leng bakachnong. Naron hang ta uwe ubre ubakerteng Zacchaeus urang ba nongkrong kajana bat ubarius ba. Ula persang ban yoi uno udisu henrei syamla babun briu mau pat ulong ubalengkot reniang. Kumta ula mare chakmat bat ula kiu halor uding sikamor ban yoi ya udisu ubadei yait nangta. Aba udisu ula poi hakata kajaka ula khmit barulaong hau Zacchaeus. Ko Zacchaeus hiar kloi ngamut ban sa haying jong pi mentaka sengi. Zacchaeus ula hiar pen kloi barula pdeng ya uda ka drinkmen ka bakrau. Baro ki pai ba ki balayo iya kata kala sedang ya tnum. Une ubriu ulai ban sa sau ba haying jong kenong pop. Zacchaeus ula yang hangta bat ula ong hau trai ko kenran ngan ai siteng nakas pajo nga haki baduk baladang ala klop yano ngan siu pat sausya udisu la ong hau kacing penem kelawan ha kane kaying mentakasgi na ba une ubriu ru ulang ukun jong Abraham bat ukun ubriu ulawan banuat bat ban penem ya ki belajar kakabor babha utrai